A BC curriculum prescribed learning outcome for Math 8 requires students to be able to graph two variable linear equations. Using GeoGebra, it makes it easy for students to not only digitally graph two variable linear equations, but they can also solve a linear system by graphing. GeoGebra has tools that allow students to plot lines on a graph and find the intersection. Let's see how. First, you go to geogebra.org, then you click on Start Creating. Now, students are very familiar with plotting points on a graph using GeoGebra, but now they can learn how to plot lines from equations. So, instead of going in the upper left-hand corner, instead of clicking on the point with the A, let's click on the line instead. So we are going to be plotting lines. Okay, so for the first equation, you just simply start typing. So we are going to plot a two-variable linear equation. So the first one will be, and using the keyboard below, 3x plus 4y equals 12. And when I press return, the line's plotted. Okay, so now the second line, let's type in negative 2x plus 3y equals 9. Again, these are just two examples to show how to plot linear equations on a graph digitally using GeoGebra. Voila, we've got the two lines, and as well it shows the intersection point. So there's two ways the students can find the intersection. They can use the pad or their mouse to scroll in or out. But a more accurate way is to get GeoGebra to find that intersection point. So because it's a point, we click on the point tool and we scroll down to intersect. We have to specify which two lines are intersecting, so we'll click on A and click on B, and the intersection point is x equals 0 and y equals 3. Great tool for students to visually plot linear equations on a graph.